guys, welcome to my channel once again. Thank you so much for coming back. And today we're gonna be stuffing some cash envelopes and some sinking funds. So I'm just gonna get started. Today with only $500, and I only have it in hundreds and fifties, so I'm gonna be changing that. I'm gonna be exchanging the big bills for small bills from my sinking funds envelopes. So that's what I'm gonna do now, and that way we have less money in here, like small bills. So like I say, I have 500 here, 400, 500. So we're just gonna be changing from here. So I'm gonna be taking $100 from the emergency envelope. So we're gonna be trading, and we're gonna be putting it here. Alright, so right here I have 10, 20. So we're gonna grab that. Oh wait, we need fit. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 100. So we're gonna put 100 in here. That way we have less money in here. I mean, not less money, like less small bills. What I could do is, since I have more 20s here, I'm just gonna take 2 of this and grab a 20. Alright guys, so I made the changes already, so so we don't take too long. Alright, so now everything is getting money this week. So we're gonna start with our cash envelopes, and utility is getting 80. So I have 50, 70, 80. Gas is getting $10. Spending is getting $60. And I still got 40 here. So I'm gonna take this out, put it on the side, and I'm just gonna grab $60. Alright guys, so beauty is getting $40 this week, just because I started doing my nails again. So whatever I have in here, I'm gonna leave it there, because nails are getting so expensive, you guys. Seriously. Alright guys, so I'm done with my cash envelopes. I'm gonna go ahead to the sinking funds. So just remember guys, I'm not putting in all of them, so just the one that I need the most. So my daughter's getting 25 as always. So I exchanged some bills here. So right now she has 1,000, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. So 1,500, and then 20, 40, 45, 50. 1,550. Alright, so my other daughter's getting the same, so as always they probably had the same amount. Not probably, but you know, it should. So 25. So she has 1,000, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350, 400, 450, 500. So that's 1,500. 20, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 1,550. So they have exactly the same. Alright guys, so vacation is getting $40. So right now for vacation we have 100, 150, that's 200. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 300. You have 370, 390. On vacation already. Alright guys, so family time is not getting anything, clothes is not getting anything, giving is not getting anything, and we still have some money here. I mean, you know, I like to keep some money here, so maybe next week I will put some. So we're done with this binder. We're gonna go to the next binder. Emergency is getting $10. So emergency is getting $10. So right now we have 100, 150, 170, $180. $180. Car maintenance, it's not getting anything this week, but I really need to put some more. For right now, I just have 235, so I need to step up on this. Red car is not getting anything, health is not getting anything, and we are done with this one. Savings. Alright, so savings is getting $40. Okay, $40. So savings now has, right now saving has 100, 200, 250, 300, 350, 400, 450, 500, 550, 600, 600. Alright, so 600 right here. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 9. So that's 900, and then 50, 70, 90, 110. So that's 1,010. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take out 1,000 and I'm gonna replace it with this, and then I'm gonna put the money in the bank. 1,000. I just put it in my purse and bring it to the bank right away because I don't like to have that much money in the house. So we're gonna continue. So now in investment. In investment, I had to put my money because I've been doing I've been buying stocks. So the other day I did good on my stock, and I want to keep doing it because I'm learning about it. So I mean, it's been a while, but now like I'm more into it now. So I want to put some more money here because right now I just have $45. So I need to put more. I will leave this for later because I might put some more money here, and I will show you where I get it from. Okay, so Christmas is getting $20 just because I like to put money here. Christmas is a big thing for me, so I want to save some more. So 50, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's 200. So $250 on Christmas. So school supplies getting $10. So 10. So right now I have, oh, it's 50, 55, $60. Oh, it's not getting anything. This envelope, I'm gonna take it out. So I'm gonna take it out because I already did my taxes. And yeah, I mean, I could save later for that. So I'm gonna take this money and add it to my savings. I'm gonna be adding it to my investment envelope. Yeah, that will be helpful. Alright, so gifts is not getting anything. Right now I have $85 on gifts. I'm gonna continue with my challenges now. So this week my 6 months challenge is getting $95. Alright, so it's getting 95. So it's 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 95. So $95. And my 6-month challenge. Alright guys, so one more week and we're done for the month. I'm so happy because the stimulus check helped me a lot with this. So, you know, when we're done next week with this one, we're gonna go ahead to the month of May. So May looks a little bit challenging, but we're gonna do it, guys. We're gonna do this. I don't want to miss 1 week on it. Alright, so from this challenge, I'm gonna be adding $10. So I picked 2, 5. Two 5s. Okay guys, so I'm done with this one. And we're gonna go to this one. This one's getting, alright, so this one's getting $20, you guys. Alright guys, so into my last challenge. So here I'm gonna be adding $20. Okay, so I'm adding $20 to the fun challenge. And we are done with the challenges. Alright guys, so remember that I put this 40 on the side. And I always have money left for like, but I'm gonna be adding this here as well. And I'm also gonna be adding this tax money. I'm gonna see how much I have in here. So I have $100, $150, $200. Alright, let me just add it here. So I'm gonna go to my 1, 5, and 10 challenges to see. Alright, so I just have ones, like $1 bills. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have $5 that I'm gonna be adding to my $1 challenge. So right there. So I'm not gonna be adding 5 or 10s. It's just gonna be the ones. I don't know if you guys remember, I showed you guys this binder last week, but right here I have travel, and then I have, which I don't have anything yet, and none of this I have subscription because I really need to put money on this since I have a Shopify store, so I have to have money here every single month. So I want to get into this, so today I could start. And then this eating out, and then my birthday. I want to add some money for my birthday here. Today I'm just gonna be adding some for subscription and for my birthday. So I'm gonna be adding $40. If you guys didn't see my last video, I made this envelope. And I was so happy because they came out so nice. And I was really pleased with them. Alright, so for my birthday, I'm gonna be adding $50. And by the way, guys, my birthday is on Christmas, so there's gonna be money for Christmas and for my birthday, which is two different stuff. So what I'm gonna do with this one is that I'm gonna buy something for myself, like I always do, but this time I'm gonna put it in an envelope. So that's it. So now we're gonna go into our investment and savings. So these two are getting more money. For savings, I'm gonna be adding $40. So remember, you guys, that I took out some money to put in the bank, and then I added this. So right now I'm just gonna add $40 more. So right now we have 1,000, 20, 40, 45, 50. So we have 1,050 on savings. I need to update this. Alright, so that's 1,050 on savings. And on investment, we're gonna add all this. So right now we get to 1,000, then I'm gonna be putting it on the stock market. So right now we only have 100, 150, 170, 190, and $195. Alright guys, so that's it for today. See that I did too many binders, so I think I'm gonna change. I'm gonna add this envelopes to another one, or I could just leave it like that. I don't know yet, but it's like too many of them now. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching, and I appreciate it. I hope you guys have a beautiful day today. I'll see you guys next week. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time. Bye.